Hey guys, I'm Shamir Falk, the creator of Dr. Locs, a product line that prioritizes the needs of the Loc community. What I have here is our Dr. Locs Travel Kit, aka Trial Kit. It gives you a 1 ounce version of each of our products of the original line. We have the pre-cleanse, the Yasin shampoo, the Janan leave-in conditioner, the Imani locking spray, and our Yaya oil. I made these products in 2000, literally I started in 2014 and officially made Dr. Locs a website 2015. I made it out of necessity. My clients were going through buildup. I personally went through buildup when I had locks for 10 years and I had enough of it. I was traveling around the country, servicing my clients, and I wanted to send myself in a bottle. So this has been a lifesaver as a loctician personally, as well as other locticians and people around the world. I'm really excited for you to try our products. Everything is natural. We manufacture ourselves, and we have some big things in motion right now. I'm really excited. So this is a really good opportunity for you to give us a try to see if you're ready to commit to our bigger bottles. So give us a try. And if you have any questions, please let us know down at the bottom in the comments. Thank you guys.